Right, I'm on the OB. Are we doing the OB1 or the OB21 or the OB41? We're over. I'll just scan back there. You get the idea what we're doing today. I'm over with Alan. I've spoke to Greg before when I've been at the Screwfix Live back at September. Back in September last year. Now we're at the Homebuilding and Renovating Show at the NEC, and Alan's going to do us a demo of the things I didn't get to see when Greg was talking to me last year. So I'm going to do a swivel round, 1, 2, 3. So
there'll be quite a lot to show.
I've only got a memory card that will last 2 hours, so keep it.
Oh, wow.
Right, guys. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Alan.
Nice to meet you.
Right, what have we got?
What we have here is OB1 original sealant and adhesive, a hybrid polymer. So it's a sealant and an adhesive, all in one tube for all the jobs, around the house, outside, indoors and outside. You can use it on a variety of substrates, so lead, felt, wood, MDF, tile, PVC. This product works underwater, indoors and outdoors from temperatures of -40 to 120 degrees. But let me show you about the product. So as we spoke about earlier, it's a sealant and an adhesive. Does 2 jobs in one. We're under the water line there, as you can see. What we'll do is we'll apply the product onto the brick. As you can see, it sticks very well underwater straight away. Turn the gun off. We will take the other brick and we'll place it on top. There you go. We'll give it a 2-minute push, 2-second push, and up it comes. Now, the best way for you to test the strength of that, which you can't do because you're holding the camera, is to try and pull those apart. Oh, that's 10 seconds. So you've got around 20 minutes playtime with the product. You can use it above head height. It won't sag or drop. That's the adhesive side of the product. We can also use it in the guttering here to demonstrate the drill holes we've already made and how good this works fixing leaky gutters. Obviously, what you've got in the UK is a lot of differentiation within the temperatures in winter and summer. So in the winter, things expand, in the summer, they shrink. The beauty of this product is it will move with the weather and the temperatures. So what we'll do there is fill that up with water straight away, and you should be able to see that that is sealed already. It works underwater. Temperatures are -40 to 120 degrees. So you can imagine, I didn't fill that one. You can imagine the money saving side for leisure centres, swimming pools. They're not emptying the pool out anymore. They're not emptying everybody out the swimming pool. They're fixing a problem on a tile while people are swimming.
And I take it as a decorator, and still decorators are doing cast gutters. If you've got gutters that have got a leaky joint that you think, what am I going to do with that?
Absolutely.
There's a lot that would go straight for silicone that doesn't work.
No, it doesn't
This is the product that you need for sealing.
The beauty of this product is
well.
you can use it with felt and lead, which on a normal silicone, you wouldn't be able to do that. There'll be a chemical reaction. So we find that a lot of roofers are using it, shipyards, construction, camper van conversions, horse box conversions. You can use that across 10 different substrates, including, we talked about earlier, PVC, felt, lead, wood, marble. You can use it. There's the product when it's cured, so you can see how flexible that is. You can't tear it, you can't rip it. It's very strong. So that's where the movement is in the temperatures in the summer and the winter.
And how many different colours is it available in?
10 different colours, and they're all laid out here. And when I joined here 2.5 years ago, we had 8 colours. We've now got OB21, which is a silicone, bathroom and building silicones. We've also got OB41 aerosols. So we're turning ourselves into a one-stop shop.
Yeah.
We've got everything you need. But that's a fantastic product with around 20 minutes working time before it starts to go off. It's also paintable. So water-based paints, 24 hours. Oil-based paints need 72 hours. There's something in the paint that locks it in. So if you do paint over it too early, it will stay soft forever.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much for that, Alan.
Absolute pleasure.
I'm just going to do a drone flyby of everything else you've got, but very interesting and nice to talk to you before it gets too busy.
Nice one. Thank you.